Meaning of episode.
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 Episode. The word episode refers to a single installment of a larger series or story. It is often used in the context of television shows, where each episode tells a self-contained portion of the overall narrative, but can also refer to segments within a podcast, book series, or other serialized content. Episodes typically follow a specific structure and may end on a cliffhanger or resolution. They allow for a longer story to be broken down into manageable parts and provide audiences with a sense of progression and anticipation for what's to come.